Hey guys, welcome back to the fourth video of this series of the Photoshop. If you have not watched my previous videos, go to this playlist called Basics of the Photoshop and watch from the first video, right? So suppose I have covered the tools up to here. Now I am going to cover the basic tools which you will be using frequently. So I am just going to give you overview of the selected tools, right? So I will not cover this tool. This is spot healing brush tool. So this is the brush tool, right? So if you click on this brush tool, you can use to color anywhere, right? So if you want to change the color of the brush, you can click over here and just change the color. If you want to change another color, click on this color panel and take this green color, click anywhere, choose your color and click OK, and now you can draw anything you want, right? This is the brush tool. So now I am going to tell you about this, this is eraser tool, right? So if you click on it, this is eraser tool. So now the eraser size is very small, right? So what you can press in your keyboard, you just press the curly braces, the right closing curly braces. This rubber will become bigger. To make it smaller, you can click left curly brace, or you can press left curly bracket in your keyboard, and the rubber become smaller. So now you want to erase it. And why it is erasing everything? Because everything is on this one layer. So you can see everything is getting erased from here, right? You can erase anything whatever you want. So this is now gradient tool. When you click on it, this is gradient tool. I'm just closing this image and again opening the same image from here, right? So what is the purpose of this gradient tool? You can make the gradient of any color. So I have selected this green color over here. First you will click the colors, right? Select any color, then from here you can take the pattern of the gradient. So suppose I am going to select the second part, right? Now you have selected the pattern and color. To make the gradient, click on the image at one point and drag your mouse. I am dragging it to the left, from left to right side, right? So I have covered up to here, and now when I release the mouse, you can see the gradient appears over here, right? So the gradient appears over here. Okay, suppose I want to I am just undoing the things what I have done. I will press Ctrl Alt and Z. Okay, so suppose I want to take the another pattern. This is the pattern, and now the gradient will be of different style. Why? This gradient is the mixture of green and white, right? I am again undo the thing which I have done. Now take another pattern. You can choose any pattern whatever you want. So suppose I have selected this one. Now I select this over here. It will show me three different colors because these three colors are made up of these three things. Okay, so you can choose your gradients according to your choice and make gradients. Okay, so now this is the I am not going to cover these two tools over here, and this is the text tool, right? So I click on it. Now when the cursor changes to something like this, okay, let me check the time again. Okay, so I will click on it and drag my mouse towards the right side. So this is the selection where my text will be appearing, right? So now you can see this blinking cursor over here. I can type anything. Now I want to change the font size. Just select over it. From here you can change the font size. This becomes smaller, right? So you want to just make it like 90. This becomes big. You can just select this and you can change the to italic, right? Now you can change the font style also from over here. So I will make it like this. Okay, so you can see this is the Photoshop written something like this. Okay, so when you click on any other side, you can just see the text is written over here. Okay, Now from this moving tool you can move this text to anywhere. Okay, so the text tool is covered. You can explore this. Here we have vertical tool, horizontal text, and etc etc. So this is the pen tool. This is very important and very key feature of this Photoshop, and this is going to help you a lot in cropping the exact image, right? So suppose you want to just crop this cup from here, right? So I just clicked on it. This is zoom. Okay, so to zoom any image you can click over it. To zoom out you can click right this, just right click on it and click zoom out. Okay, and press the left mouse key to zoom in. So suppose I want to just crop this cup from here. What I will do, I have told you earlier that we have three types of cropping things. You can just take this cropping selection box and it is cropped, right? So you can just, it's not cropped actually, it is just selection thing, sorry. This is the crop part. So first let me deselect this. This is the free tool. You just move it like this and this is selected. So now when you click over this moving tool, it's not cropping anything. Oh sorry, this image is not selected. Okay, so now why can you see this, why this thing is not getting cropped? Because in the layers panel I have not selected this image, I was selected this text. Okay, so I clicked on this background image and you can see you can move it like this. But suppose if you want to just take this cup out from here exactly, so what you will do, so this is the pen tool. To crop it you just take the pen tool. Let me check the time. Okay, so you just click at one point and you click on another point. Just keep clipping, don't release the mouse. The 2 points will be made and you just drag your mouse until the perfect thing shape is made. Okay, so there is a need of separate video on this pen tool. Let me tell you, this is a very deep tool, you need to understand this, and this is very important tool. Okay, so just giving you the overview of this thing. So now when I click again at some point, this is going to be curved like this, and if I want to just click, keep clipping, keep clicking, this thing is covered. Okay, I'm just giving you overview. I will make another separate video, the detailed video on the pen tool. Okay, so now you have selected this cup, right click over here and click make selection, click OK, and this is selected, right? So now this is selected, you can now move it anywhere. This is cropped. Okay, this is very advanced tool, I will make separate video on it, don't worry about it. Okay, so these are the zoom in and zoom out thing, doesn't matter. And this is like shape tool, you can make shape with the different sizes. Okay, so this is the shape tool. This is round, suppose you want to make ellipse. Now you want to make this kind of ellipse. Okay, so this is the overview of the tools. That's it for this video. Thank you and have a nice day. Keep watching the series. This is the basic tools. I assure you guys, if you just watch this series, you will have an idea of how to use Photoshop. Okay, from the next video, I will tell you about this layers thing. What are these layers and how you can use it. Okay, so that your image will not be disrupted and you can modify the changes what you have done. Okay, from this layer, you have more command over your project, over your different layers of the project. Okay, so that's it for this video. Keep watching this series. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, have fun.